Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be installing this bathroom cabinet which we got from B&Q. Just going to open up the box to see what's in it. It should come with the fixing brackets as well. Right, it's covered with plastic wrap to protect it from scratches, which is a really good idea. Just gonna get the level right, and then I'm gonna drill. I'm gonna mark the area for the holes. There are 4 holes, one on each corner, and we're gonna be drilling the holes in a minute. It has come with the wall plugs, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So always make sure that the drill is on a standard normal setting, not on a hammer action, because hammer action is gonna crack the tiles. Right, now that I've drilled the holes, I'm just gonna insert the wall plugs, and I'm using a rubber mallet instead of a hammer so that the tiles don't get cracked. Right, now that I've secured the cabinet, I just gonna fit the handles. It's 2 small pins which you screw on at the bottom of the doors on each side. Right, just gonna remove the protected film from the doors. There we go friends, that's the bathroom cabinet installed in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.